there has been vast development in the world of Star Wars lightsaber experiences, from the immersive construction at Savi's workshop to the high-performance, duelable DIY NeoPixel sabers. However, these have always been specialized for a specific purpose, either focusing on the ritual of finding your lightsaber or providing a visually stunning tool for dueling. None have yet attempted a truly all-inclusive Jedi experience. That is why we bring to you a new generation, a new hope of the Jedi experience. The experience is built on two primary pillars. First, let's look at the lightsaber. The blade features a transparent outer tube with two 1-meter-long LED strips. This connects directly to the hilt, which integrates the activation button and the onboard speaker. Inside the second stage, vibration motors imitate the Force, while an IMU detects the swinging of the lightsaber. The final section is the gummy crystal chamber. Using 4 LEDs and a phototransistor, this circuit detects the color of your chosen crystal to define the blade's color. All of these parts combined, you have a Jedi's most elegant weapon.
I see you have constructed a new lightsaber.
The second part of the experience is the combat trainer. It features 2 flipboard-style targets, one to signal Darth Vader's direction of attack, and another to track your remaining time in the duel. And together, you have the Jediodes workshop, an immersive Star Wars experience that takes you all the way from lightsaber building to using the Force, and finally, combating a long-lost father.
Nice. You won! Nice!